Hi, this is copywriter and consultant Casey Demchak, and right off the top I want to say congratulations on writing your business book. That's a really big accomplishment. Of course, having a strong business book can really raise your authority in your industry. It can lead to more clients, more business. It could lead to a nice monthly revenue stream. It could lead to more speaking gigs. So what you've done is a big accomplishment. Of course, to really expand your reach and make an impact with your book, you want to have really strong book marketing copy. Now, I've been fortunate enough to be able to write the marketing copy for over 3 dozen books that have become Amazon bestsellers. And a bunch of those have been business books. So I created this program so that I can teach you everything I know about how to write really powerful book marketing copy. And I've done it in a way that is very practical and straightforward. I've loaded up the program with a lot of proven formulas, blueprints, a lot of checklists, a lot of templates, and a lot of examples. And my idea behind the program was to make it so it feels like you've got me sitting right next to you in your office, teaching you everything I know about how to write really strong marketing copy for your book. If I can make you laugh a little bit and get you pumped up and excited as we move along through the course, that's all the better. So I really encourage you to check out the rest of this page. Learn more about the program. I've loaded it up with a lot of value, a lot of bonuses, and a lot of extras that I think will really help you out. So again, congratulations on writing your business book. Back it up with some strong book marketing copy, and let's take a lot of action and make this happen.